So today I'm going to be doing some detective work. I'm going to try to find out why it is our car has been rattling when we go over 70 miles per hour. It has been a very annoying rattling noise, especially when we go on our long road trips. It just back there, and we want it to stop. So we're going to try to figure it out and fix it. This Land Cruiser has been known to produce a rattling noise. Typically it's been the heat shield, but for us this rattling noise has been coming from the rear of the car. So we are going to try and find out what it is this rattling noise is caused by. Hard to hear in the video, but we are going to fix that. Ooh. We may have found our culprit. Looks like something is loose here. Maybe the screw's a little loose. I don't know. Let's find out. Right here. Okay, one. Screws off on the top and the bottom on each side, so 4 screws total. See what's going on here. Ooh. We really found our culprit. Wow.
Yeah, that broke off from there.
That broke off. Looks like actually. Okay, so check it out. This is our wind deflector from the rear of our Land Cruiser. The culprit of our rattling noise right here is this broken piece of plastic. We are going to try and Gorilla Glue it back on. Just like this. And hopefully that will stay in place for another 20 years. Ooh. That's good, you think?
Mm-hmm.
Don't get it on your fingers, you're not wearing gloves. Okay. Hold it into place. It's on there pretty good. Our repaired wind deflector here. Gotta line it up. So, got our tools here. And these, 2 on each side. Very sturdy. Drive. That indeed was the cause of our annoying rattling noise. Thank you so much for watching as we repaired our wind deflector. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.